Hey, this is Ed for Bikerheadz. Today we're going to be talking about the new for 2020 Bering Alaska Laminated Jacket. Okay guys, so those of you who've watched our videos for a long time have heard me talk about laminate jackets, talked about Rucker laminates, Bering laminates, all the rest of it. This is the cheapest laminate jacket I've ever spoken about, Bering Alaska Jacket. So this is extremely good value for money. Again, those of you who watch a lot of my videos will know I love a laminate product. I think the UK market specifically is the best all-round product you can buy. So let's talk about some of the features of the Bering Alaska Jacket. So you've got a beautiful exterior material here, CE approved as you would expect. It's Taslon material, so it's completely abrasion resistant, burst resistant, tear resistant, all those things you'd expect with the CE approval from a French brand. Running down the front, you've got direct air ventilation. Again, when I talk about laminates, I always talk about direct air ventilation. One of the big features of a laminate jacket is you're going to get direct airflow in every time. So when you open up this zip, you've got a secondary zip on the inside. This red one is open already. That's going to allow the air fully into the product. If I shut that red zip up, that gives you the membrane back again. So if it rains, you can have this open. If it's warm and wet, you can have this open. The water's going to go through, it's going to hit the membrane, and it's going to drain out the product. So you've got double zip system on a laminate jacket, lots of features in that area. Reflective material running down the sides here and down the arms, so you've got that active safety feature as well. Coming back to the top of the product, you've got an adjustable neck piece, 3 position, so good feature, and then you've got neoprene running around the neck for extra comfort. Running down the front, 2 patch pockets on the front, giving you loads of storage capability on the front of the product as well. You've got, spin it around to the side quick so you can see a bit better. Waist adjusters, zips up the side for more comfort when you're sitting down. If you open those up, that'll stop the jacket riding up completely. Still waterproof with those zips open. Adjusters around the side. On the arms again, you've got adjusters on the top here. Reflective material. Of course, being a Bering product, you've got adjustable elbows. Up and down, you've got 2 position elbow adjustment and shoulder protectors. This is the Bering Omega protector, so super comfortable and lightweight. When you put this on, you feel nice and comfortable in the product. Spinning it around the side, again you can see the aerodynamic system down the back, so allow some of that air to vent out the back of the product. Reflection down the back again, as you expect from Bering, and a reflector on the top. So lots and lots of active safety on this product. Spinning it around to the front again, I just want to talk about laminates very quickly. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but the big advantages of laminate, you've got that direct air ventilation. The water's not going to soak into the jacket too much, it's going to increase the drying time dramatically, and you're not going to end up with a wet, heavy jacket. It will pick up on the dirt on the outside of the jacket and between the fibres slightly, but you're not going to end up with that puddle of water underneath your work chair when you get to work after a long ride in the rain. Open up the front, Velcro closure down the front of course, then you've got the folded storm flap which is sewed at the top of the product as well. Undo nice large gauge zip, smock area on the chest for a bit of extra warmth around the heart area to keep the blood nice and warm in the body. If I open it up, you've got Polartec thermal alloy lining, so that's going to reflect the heat back into your body. It's going to keep you nice and warm. Those guys that have used Bering before know, they know what they're doing with the lining. They know how to keep you nice and warm. And if you see one of these in store, you feel that super soft, very comfortable. You've got a pocket opening here to get to the pocket on the inside of the lining as well. And on this side, you've got a standard pocket here as well. So that's a fully laminated jacket, direct air ventilation, thermal alloy lining, adjusters around the waist, adjusters around the arm, 2 elbow position armour, reflective material throughout the product itself, obviously a removable lining as well, fully breathable and CE approved at an amazing price point. So get down to your local dealer, try one of these on. In terms of trousers, you compare it with the ballistic laminate trousers from last season's ballistic jacket and trouser. The trouser will work perfectly with the jacket. So you have got a trouser you can wear with this product. Check out our video on the trousers if you want to check them out. So that's the Bering Alaska Jacket, $279.99 with a 3-year extended warranty. Fantastic product, great price point. Get down to your local dealer and try it out, or check out bikerheadz.co.uk for more information.